Hey, Roland here, and in this podcast, what are we talking about? 7 pitfalls from prototyping to production. So, number one is thinking that product design is finished while it's not even finished. You may have developed the electronics on an Arduino, for example. Maybe the enclosure is 3D printed but cannot be injection molded, etc. etc. Pitfall number two is going to tooling too fast before having validated that the product design really can be frozen. So a lot of people think that they can do that in parallel, but then they realize, some of the sets of molds have to be discarded or need to be revised heavily. Pitfall number three, for those that go into crowdfunding with Kickstarter, etc., is going there too early. So number one, you do that before design for manufacturing. You might later find out that there's some big problems. Maybe the entire project will fail because of that. The other issue is that a lot of Shenzhen copycats are looking, and they might beat you to the market with a product that's simpler, maybe not as good, but maybe 1/3 or half the price. Okay, before number four, again, for those doing Kickstarter or something like that, is setting the price too low. We've seen that many times. You need to make sure that you know what your landed price would be. So again, you need to have done a lot of the design work. Number five is preparing a test plan that is not comprehensive enough. So you need to have an engineering requirement document. Otherwise, how are you going to validate your prototypes? When it comes to reliability, you also need to have a custom reliability test plan very often, and obviously for compliance. Compliance is less of an issue. Reliability very often is skipped. That's a problem. Performance, function testing, sometimes it's not really done properly also. Before number six, not forcing the manufacturer to do a pilot run before mass production. So mass production of a new innovative product where the manufacturing process is different and the testing process is different is very complex and doesn't really tolerate issues. You really want to do things on a small scale before a lot of the expensive material is released on the shop floor. Okay, and pitfall number seven is going to work with the manufacturer without having them sign a development manufacturing agreement. So if things go wrong, maybe you cannot pull the tooling, maybe you never get to know the suppliers of the key components. You don't know if they make changes to the process because they don't have to tell you. Maybe they have quality issues and they don't accept to compensate you for that. Okay, all of these things and many others need to be clarified in a proper legally enforceable agreement. Okay, that's what we talk about in this podcast, and hope you would be listening. Thanks.